This is Lucky 7 Garage, where we drink Mountain Dew, do it for Dale, and build cool cars. So, before the video begins, if you want to stay in the loop of everything I'm doing, you can follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_ on Instagram, and you can see everything I'm doing ahead of time. You can text me, ask me questions, or anything like that, or you can comment, like, whatever, ask any questions. I like questions, so just ask questions. I'm live all the time. I'm always posting. I'm always on Instagram, so you can always ask me any questions. So, yeah. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, guys, so we got another video today. In this video, it's all about tools. This video is like, I just went out on everything. I just bought like a whole bunch of stuff. But let me turn my light on real quick, because this lighting is terrible. I want you guys to actually see stuff. I don't think that was any better, but it should be a little better. But I got like 10 minutes before this company calls me back, so let's go ahead and get to that. I actually need this too. Get in this bag. Hold it there with me. Alright, so got some tools. So first tool kit, we're gonna open this one right here. It's from Craftsman. All these tools are from Craftsman. Yeah, everything I got is from Craftsman. So I have a drill bit, a flashlight, impact gun, right, and a electric saw, right. All cordless, battery power. I have two batteries actually. Let me open it. Hopefully the batteries are actually charged. Because if they aren't, it would suck really bad if they didn't. But we're gonna see. That didn't work. I was hoping that was gonna work. Bear with me, y'all. Bear with me, y'all. Okay. Now I have. Wow. I got keys in my pocket. I'm gonna use my keys. Got some sharp ones right here. We got a 3-year warranty on here, plus an extra 2-year warranty. Okay. Oh. Wait. I knew this thing came with a bag. I knew it. And wow. Okay. Well, this is a nice quality bag. It smells really good. It smells like a tool bag. That nice smell. Okay, let's get to open this. Take that out. Got her stick and candy saw. Nice piece. And it's all battery powered. And I do have batteries in here. We're going to test and see if the batteries are charged. Got the charger. We got the flashlight. Show you the flashlight too. I don't even know if I have storage for this video, but I might. Nice flashlight. And then here. Has a little collar on it. Okay. I'll test that out too. And then last but not least, we have the drill. Definitely gonna test this out too. Really nice button. Okay, I know some of the batteries in here. Okay. I know some of the battery and charger in there, but I want to just test see if the battery is charged. So this battery is charged. Okay, hold up. The battery is charged, bro. That's cool. Okay, let's test out everything else. Okay, hold up. Press down on this. Okay, smart. Let's test the impact. I like the light. Okay. Let's test a flashlight. That's what I really want to test. Oh, ooh, that's a pretty nice flashlight. Oh my god, that's a really nice flashlight. Okay, this is gonna be loud. I like the way that when you press it, it's going fast, and you just, if you stop pressing it, it stops. Like, I like that. I like that. Switch the battery up. Okay, that's done for that thing. I still got more stuff in here, but it's done. We have this too. This is the recipient. This is the angle grinder. Angle grinder. I'm about to use this. I'm actually about to use this. I just thought about it. I'm about to use this because I got the blade for it and I'm about to use it. I got to test out this blade actually. Make sure they didn't call me yet. Okay, go. I gotta crack my back. Hold up. Ooh. Okay. So you got mask here. We got a digital tire pressure reader thing. We got flashlight for your head. Need to test that out too. I got these adapters for the actual impact. I didn't see any Craftsman's, so I got these. I really wanted Craftsman because I like Craftsman and everything. But not being bougie or anything like that, but I just like Craftsman. So they got good deals. Little oil filter wrench. This is what I got for the actual drill. I mean, not the drill, but the I got this for the I got this for the drill. This little wire brush thing. And I got these bolt extractors. Sorry if you can't see, my bad. And I got this little light thing, little not light, but telescoping inspection mirror. Got that too. Try to keep this short. Try to keep it under 10 minutes, but we are at 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Not that bad. 4-volt battery, a higher voltage battery, and another charger for all of the electric tools. And we have a super long extension, little extensions, and the little swivels. I got those too. And I got a bag, a craftsman bag for tools. So I'm gonna set this up real nice and try to, make it look nice, Plus I got another bag for the actual impact stuff. And one more other thing to go. This torque wrench. So this is what I'm building into stuff like that. I had one, but it stopped working. So it actually never worked, but I got one that actually works and it's actually good. It's a micrometer and a torque wrench at the same time. Don't ask me how it is, but it is, that's what it says. So, and the truck's up to 250 foot-pounds, so I can torque down wheels, definitely. So, yep. Whoa, hold up. Oh, okay. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thanks for watching. Drink a Mountain Dew, which I need to finish this one on. Drink a Mountain Dew. And stay safe right here in this quarantine, man. Stay safe out here. And I'm signing off. Make sure you watch all my other videos and all my videos coming out soon. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Lucky7Garage_. Don't forget the underscore.